cars and all type of movements. Yeah, cars.
This is something new here. You can just rent these things, huh?
Yeah, you can rent them. It's a big phenomenon now, and everybody's doing this.
I guess you just use a phone app, then you can start driving it. We might use it. Try that later, huh? Yeah.
Big deal. Definitely a big deal now.
Yeah.
Hey, say hello, man. Yeah.
Today is Wednesday, so there's not too many people right now.
Enjoying Venice Beach? Enjoying Venice Beach?
Some people don't want to talk.
He does nod his head like he's
Yeah.
doing jail time.
He's from East LA. Those things go pretty fast.
Those things will take off.
I think so. So I think the real part of Venice Beach actually starts more further down, huh?
Yeah, I think it's because the way I came in, I wouldn't have came right here. It would have took me to a different part of it.
Oh,
I think it takes me closer to Muscle Beach, but
Muscle Beach, yeah.
yeah. Out here, you was like a little rich back in the day. Well, I just come out when I need to go to Muscle Beach and talk to girls. And,
Oh, yeah.
then we go to like a restaurant.
Cool.
I think another means to get to work.
That one?
Yeah, people take them to work.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They don't do all the work they have. And like we was on the campus, all people on the campus had them. I'm like, wow. They were late for class and they were on there with
Yeah.
That's good.
Hey, do you mind wearing this? You're kind of pushing my shirt up.
Yeah, thanks. How much these apartments are?
Oh, yeah.
We don't even want to.
Yeah.
You might pass out in the grass if you tell you the number. We're talking 5, 6 grand rent a month.
Wow.
Maybe 7.
Yeah, we're gonna play. Go to Muscle Beach. Oh, that's the game I was talking about. Pickleball. Playing pickleball at Venice Beach. What's up, man?
Check out my reggae CD.
Hey. Should ask him where they're from.
Yeah.
He's from Kenya.
General. Bless up, man. Yeah, listen reggae.
See,
Oh, yeah.
My music, you know, we're promoting, you know. We're not selling.
People playing pickleball in Venice. Oh, no. No, that's not pickleball. That's, is that pedal tennis? Maybe. Oh, I got you. You gotta get your buddy. Where are they from?
Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica. I got our buddy there. He's gonna buy everything, probably. Sometimes for videos like this, it's easier when you go by yourself. You know, it's like
Sorry?
sometimes it's harder to make a video when you bring other people because
Yeah.
you know you concentrate on making the videos and then everybody else just kind of walk around. Yeah. Okay.
I really like your setup. Like you really don't care how you're walking. For me, I have like to put my hand
Yeah.
and like be like this. And still it is shaking. People be like, hey, look for the stabilizer.
I'm still not used to this one. It's not the same. Okay, so this is the Muscle Beach right here. Maybe we'll see that guy here. Oh, there he is. So,
Yeah, so I was looking at your naval history, man. It's like, I can't believe you did 20, man.
yeah, I did 20 years, yeah.
That's amazing. Good job, man.
Oh, thanks.
I couldn't hang in there for
Oh,
4.
you were in the Navy?
Yeah, I got in 84 and got out.
Oh, it's tough.
So I was on the towers. I was over in Japan.
Oh,
Yeah. You were over in Japan, were you? On the,
Yeah.
You on Blue Ridge?
I was on Blue Ridge, yeah.
Yeah. My friend got. He had PhD on Blue Ridge.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but that was before you.
Yeah.
You were there back in the 90s?
Oh, no, 2000s.
Oh, 2000s. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. I joined in 93.
Okay.
But I didn't get there till like, I got to Okinawa, Japan in 2001. What do you do here now?
Oh, right now I'm just a self-employed insurance agent.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Trying to be like you guys, create my own YouTube videos.
Oh, you do make YouTube videos?
Yeah. I don't have much of a subscriber base though, but I think what's real popular among a lot of young people is the IRL streaming, the live streaming.
Oh, live streaming, yeah.
So you don't have to worry about the editing.
Yeah, that's true.
But it's not, the quality's not as good though.
No, and some people donate to you, like Mara gets a lot of money from the
Does it?
people donating, yeah.
Oh, that's good, yeah. Well, if you do it and make money.
Yeah.
So how long you guys been down here?
I think we're gonna leave Friday. We're not
Okay.
sure. It's just too expensive to stay here. Yes.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
That's why this guy's probably living in Mexico, right?
Yeah.
I got some fag. I was in
Yeah.
Hollywood. I was on the leg up there.
Were ya?
18 months. 18
Yeah?
a month for rent. I was like, I can't do
Oh, that's really expensive. Yeah.
that. And for me, I was living in Miami before that.
Oh yeah.
I was like, this is I gotta go for it. And I went down there. A friend took me down there, and I was like, cool. I never looked back.
So how much you pay for rent in Tijuana?
300, 350. That's very good.
Yeah. You never heard of this beach before?
I'm working the States.
No.
I work
No.
for a bodybuilder.
Venice Beach.
Venice Beach.
Very popular. Anybody should know, American should know that.
Leave an absence. I'm gonna be traveling for the next 6 months.
Saturday, Sunday is very busy here.
Oh, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
Go to Haiti with her.
Yeah.
Go to Dominican Republic. Puerto Rico.
Hey, how long have you been my subscriber, man?
Oh man. Yeah, I've got like 3 channels now. So I've got one subscribed to you, and I was watching another one. But it's been ever since you started in Colombia.
Yeah.
I started watching a lot of your videos, and I got kind of tired because you were asking a lot of the girls a lot of stuff. So,
Oh,
so I was like, Since I'm married, it's like,